What is going on, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and today we are going over Chainge.Finance. This is a DeFi app that you can get on the Google and Apple app stores that allows you to exchange pretty seamlessly across different chains, as well as you can trade options and buy futures on tokens in there. And we're going to get to all of that. First, let's go over the price quick. We are sitting currently at 9.446 cents right now. We can see here on the max chart, we only have data going back to June 24th, 2021, and we can see this thing got as high as 20 cents, so we're down about 50% from the tippy top. And even just a couple of weeks ago, we were up to 13 cents, so right around 9-10 ish is where we're sitting right now. Not too bad. The token price here is not the big story. The big story is the insane amount of money you can make yield farming with the Chainge.Finance app. So we're going to head on over to, this is their main website here. So pretty incredible stuff. Look at all of the supported chains they have here on Chainge. And this is the first DEX platform that I've seen that is pretty thoroughly designed for the lay crypto user. There's no linking wallets to MetaMask. There's none of that stuff in order to trade tokens here. So this should drive user adoption as they grow their brand here. Head on over back to CoinMarketCap quick. The market cap on Chainge is only 10.395 million. I think that is probably way too low, and I think we should probably be trading around $1. That would be kind of fair market value, but definitely a steal on this. So in order to download the app, I did have to disable Wi-Fi on my phone and then type in Chainge.Finance into the search bar, and then it popped right up. But for whatever reason, I forget the exact reason why, but it doesn't pop up unless you disable Wi-Fi. Something to do with the security. Maybe so if you're on public Wi-Fi, they can't steal your password or something like that. So I actually have footage from my phone here of the app right now. So I already, let's see if I show my orders. Yeah, I already swapped out 92 USD worth, and then I added another 93 bucks to a liquidity pool that I believe earns 350% APY on that. Next, I think I went into all of the chains that are available on Chainge. So we have the Chainge.Finance, we got Fusion, we got Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tron, Binance, Huobi, Solana, Polygon, Filecoin, USDC, Phantom, Avalanche, Kronos, Elrond, quite a few there. So now we're in the banking tab, and we can see that the total value locked in their liquidity pools is over 149.1 million US dollar value there. And my Chainge rewards from the 996 tokens that I put in there has already earned me 1.46 Chainge in rewards. So that is it 15 cents in just a couple of hours. So if I had a ton of money in here, that would be a pretty nice return. Again, like I said, I'm pretty sure the Chainge to USDT APY on this is over 300%. Let's see. Okay, so these are the options here that you can buy. You can actually buy call and put options on all of these different tokens here. They have, let's see, they got a ton of them. You can buy Bitcoin puts, Fusion puts, Chainge puts, Sushi puts. So now might honestly be the time to be buying put options on pretty much everything. Before that March Fed rate hike here on the interest rates. Not financial advice, but I think we are not out of the woods in terms of the epic downtrend that we've been experiencing for the last couple of weeks here. So again, I may throw a couple put options in for Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially since they're back up quite a bit. All right, here we're checking out the pool that I'm currently in is the USDT to Chainge pool right now. I've supplied a staggering 93 USDT in liquidity for this pool, so you're welcome, everyone. And this is where you can buy futures contracts, and again, the list of available futures is vast. So here's BUSD, maturity date is December 31st. All of the futures and options have maturity dates of December 31st. We can see here I'm using the spot account to swap my change, the 18 cents that I have left over in change from exchanging it and providing liquidity in the liquidity pool. I'm swapping that here, and look at the slippage. 0.0002%. So you're not going to find a much better slippage rate than that. I know this is a very stable pair here, and there we go. We just executed a big money 18-cent trade there for you guys, and I think I have a couple bucks in Fusion as well. But the app itself is really easy to use. Again, I think even I think your grandmother could figure out how to use this one with not much trouble here. If you can figure out how to sign into your online banking app, you can definitely use Chainge.Finance. And for those liquidity pools, they're offering they're advertising up to 700% APY. The largest APY that I have found on there was that USDT to Change liquidity pool offering 350-ish%. Another huge advantage to using the Chainge platform for liquidity pools is there is no impermanent loss, meaning when you have a mismatch of two tokens in a liquidity pool, you can sometimes end up with not the right amount of tokens. So this is also huge here. They do offer a decentralized escrow service. You can buy or sell goods and services pretty much instantaneously and have peace of mind that your contractual conditions will be met using their escrow service.
Off LinkedIn, I hit a brick wall. Employees can't be trusted to pay me what they owe after finishing a project, and finding a safe way to collaborate is close to impossible. I've had some huge payment delays lately, and I'm really just sick of it.
Yeah, I'm with you 100%. I've been using a couple of freelance platforms, and they're basically ripping me off. It's ridiculous. They're taking like 20% of my earnings. But luckily, I found Chainge, and now I'm worry-free. Let me show you. All you have to do is generate an escrow smart contract between you two and ask your employer to make a deposit. And so both you and the buyer are 100% safe. Once they make the deposit, the money will be there, but no one can access it until the project is delivered.
So they're basically explaining how escrow works in that YouTube video there. Having escrow services is huge. I think this is definitely undervalued at only 9 cents. And with the 350% APY yield farms that you can find there taking part in the liquidity pools, this is an absolute no-brainer. But that is pretty much all I got for you today on the Chainge.Finance platform. As always, guys, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Chainge, as well as other NFTs, stocks, and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I will see you in the next video.